Wake up.
Creative minds often struggle with logical tasks, and logical thinkers may find creative processes challenging. The key is to develop techniques that allow you to switch between these modes of thinking or even use them concurrently. Steve Jobs is a prime example of this dual mind hack in action. His approach was not merely about understanding technology, but also about infusing it with a design philosophy that prioritized user experience and aesthetic appeal. This balance between logic and creativity led to the development of iconic products like the iPhone and iPad, which seamlessly blended functionality with elegance. Similarly, Leonardo da Vinci represents another extraordinary instance of integrating logical and creative thinking. As a polymath, da Vinci's work spanned various disciplines, including art and science. His notebooks showcase a remarkable synthesis of detailed anatomical studies and imaginative sketches of inventions. This fusion of meticulous observation with bold creativity allowed da Vinci to excel not only as an artist, but also as a pioneering scientist and engineer. His method of problem solving involved a rigorous application of logical analysis paired with a fearless exploration of creative possibilities, demonstrating how blending these modes of thought can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. So let's uncover the most powerful techniques to make this dual mind hack work for you. Timed switches involve allocating specific periods for different types of thinking or activities, enabling a structured balance between logical and creative processes. This technique is particularly useful in environments where both types of thinking are crucial, such as in project management and strategic planning. Start by identifying the tasks or problems that require both creative and logical input. Clearly define the objectives for each session to ensure focus and direction. For instance, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you might allocate time for brainstorming innovative ideas and then switch to analyzing the feasibility and potential impact of those ideas. Set specific time limits for each mode of thinking. Use a timer to enforce these limits strictly. For example, you might spend 30 minutes brainstorming new ideas and then switch to 30 minutes of critical analysis. This structure helps to maintain momentum and prevent burnout by providing regular breaks and shifts in focus. Structured brainstorming is a sophisticated technique that harmonizes the divergent nature of creative thinking with the convergent rigor of logical analysis. This method involves a systematic approach to generating and evaluating ideas designed to maximize both innovative potential and practical feasibility. The process begins with a clear definition of the problem or challenge at hand. Articulating a precise problem statement ensures that the brainstorming session remains focused and aligned with the intended objectives. Once the initial brainstorming phase yields a range of ideas, the next step is to organize and categorize these ideas. Grouping similar concepts helps identify recurring themes and patterns, making it easier to apply logical analysis. The ultimate goal of structured brainstorming is to implement and test the selected ideas in real-world scenarios. This final phase ensures that the ideas not only meet creative aspirations, but also address practical challenges effectively. Developed by Tony Buzan, mind mapping utilizes diagrams to represent ideas, concepts, and their relationships, facilitating both expansive brainstorming and systematic analysis. The core of mind mapping lies in its visual format, which begins with a central idea or theme placed at the center of a page. This central node serves as the focal point from which branches radiate outward, each representing related subtopics or concepts. This hierarchical structure mirrors the way the brain naturally processes and categorizes information, making it an intuitive tool for both creative exploration and logical organization. Unlike vertical thinking, which follows a sequential and logical path, lateral thinking involves looking at problems from new and often unconventional angles. At its core, lateral thinking is about breaking free from established patterns and habits of thought. It requires questioning assumptions, exploring alternative solutions, and considering perspectives that might initially seem irrelevant or outlandish. One of the key techniques within lateral thinking is the use of provocative operations. These are deliberately illogical or absurd statements designed to jolt the mind out of its usual patterns and into new creative territory. Lateral thinking also emphasizes the importance of looking for multiple solutions rather than settling on the first feasible one. This approach can prevent tunnel vision and open up a broader range of possibilities. It encourages the use of analogies and metaphors, helping to draw connections between seemingly unrelated concepts. The premise of cross-disciplinary learning is that exposure to diverse fields of study can spark new ideas and provide unique insights that might not be evident within the confines of a single discipline. For instance, a designer might benefit from understanding basic principles of psychology to create more user-friendly products, while a computer scientist might find value in learning about visual arts to improve the aesthetics of a user interface. This blending of knowledge allows for more innovative and well-rounded solutions. Collaboration is a critical component of cross-disciplinary learning. For example, a project team comprising engineers, marketers, and sociologists can collectively address a problem in ways that none of them could individually. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might benefit from it. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video. See you soon.